C-O-U-N-C-I-L, council, and C-O-U-N-S-E-L, council. What's the difference between these two words? Well, let's see. C-O-U-N-C-I-L, council, refers to a group of people elected or appointed to make decisions or govern. It can refer to local, national, or international governing bodies. It is also used in contexts like school councils or advisory councils. Examples: the city council approved the new development plan. The student council organized the school event. Now, C-O-U-N-S-E-L, council, refers to an advice or guidance given by an expert or professional. It can refer to legal advice or personal guidance. It is also used as a verb, meaning to provide advice or guidance. Examples: the lawyer offered counsel to the defendant. The therapist provided counsel to help him cope. Now, key differences. C-O-U-N-C-I-L, council, is a governing body or group, whereas C-O-U-N-S-E-L, council, is an advice, guidance, or expert opinion.